Hi guys, Johnny O here. I'm at the shop. I'll give you guys an update on the Grand National project. It's been on hold for quite a while as we waited for parts, mostly waiting for a camshaft. What you see in front of us now is the motor. It's the stock motor that came out of the car. Well, it's not stock anymore, but it's the motor that came out of the car originally, so it belongs in the car. Its numbers matching. And the body shop guy is also the engine builder, Frank Berard. He's been assembling the motor now that we have all the parts here that we need. Hopefully at some point in time I'll get to talk to Frank and we can talk about more specifics on the motor. I'll make another video for that. But basically it's mostly together, and it'll pretty soon it'll go into the chassis, which is over here still, and then we'll bolt the transmission up to it. This is the transmission that I've got for it. That came from Extreme Automatics. It's rated at 1,000 horsepower. I don't know what we're going to get out of the motor as far as numbers for horsepower, but when I get all done and the car's all together and running and I'm happy with it, and it's all broke in, I am going to take it to a friend's shop and put it on a dyno. So as you can see, this guy does a lot of motor work. He's got motors lined up here, 1, 2, 3, 4 that are shrink wrapped, one in the back there. And he's got more motors over on the other side. They got a 1970 GTO that they're working on. They're going to put an LS7 in that. So anyhow, that's where we're at with the Grand National so far. And I'll give you guys updates as we make some progress. Thanks for watching.